between focal length and the radius of curvature of a spherical mirror. Okay, so the focal length definition is the distance between the principal focus and pole is called the focal length. Listen, so the concave mirror. So this side is the silver coating. The passing through a principal axis. So the center and the focus, these are the pole. Okay. So the incident ray, these are incident ray, the parallel line. The passing through a focus. Okay, na? So these are incident ray. The incident ray are parallel to the passing through a focus. So this the mirror. Okay, the mirror. So the center and the focus. So this line is the normal line on a center. Okay, these are the normal line on the center. Okay, the C, this F, so this A. Okay, the A, the radius of curvature. The radius of curvature means the center of curvature and the pole. The distance between the center of curvature and the pole. So that is called the radius of curvature. So this, the radius of the curvature. So this, the radius of curvature. So this, the focal length. These are the focal length. Okay, so the how many triangles are there? Two triangles. One is the AMC, one triangle. Next MCF is the one triangle. Okay, the one triangle. So this the mirror. This distance is called. The distance is called the D. The set. So we know that D is the distance of the set. So D ani anukundam triangle. Okay na? So the alternate triangle means AMC one angle. Next MC is one triangle. Okay, this the incident ray is the angle of theta, the reflection is the angle of the theta. The incident ray or the reflection. So how many triangles are there? The two triangles AMC. So this the AMC. So this angle 1 is equal. So next triangle MCF. Okay, MCF. So these are the MCF. So this triangle 2. Okay, so the angles are the AMC. So next one is the MCF. Okay, this angle is the alternate the triangle. The alternate triangle means the parallel line. So this cut off two lines. So this angle is theta, this angle of the theta. So these are the alternate triangle. Listen, the alternate triangle. So next is AMC one triangle. So next MCF one triangle. Next one MFC one triangle. So next MCD one triangle. Okay, so next these are triangles the MCF. So the CF one triangle is equal to the CD. So the CD one triangle. Okay, so you have find out this theta. So these are the theta. So these are the opposite. These are the adjacent. The opposite by adjacent is the tan theta. So therefore the tan theta is equal to the opposite by the adjacent. So angle is the AMC. So angle is the theta. So angle of theta is equal to The angle of theta is equal to. So what is the angle? The MFD. So this MC. These are the MC. The adjacent is the CD. Okay, adjacent is the CD. So this opposite is the MD. Okay, the opposite direction is the MT. This is opposite. This the CD is the adjacent. Okay, the opposite is the MD. So this opposite is the MD. So next one is what is the adjacent? The CD. Adjacent is the CD. So this adjacent of the CD. So this equation of the two. Equation 1. So next one, the equation of the 2. The equation of the 2. So equation of 2 is the MCD. So this angle of the MCD. So this MCD triangle is, so this the triangle. So MFD. Okay, this MFD. So the MD and FD. Okay, so this we know that the first the angle is the 2 theta, theta 1 and the theta 2. So both are the 2 theta is equal to the MD. So this the MD by. So what is the adjacent? The FD. So adjacent is the FD. Okay, so this equation of the 2. So the substituting in equation 1 and the 2. Okay, so equation substituting in 1 and the 2. What is the 2? The angle of the 2 equation. The 2 theta is equal to the MD by the FD is equal to what is the MD by the FCD. So substituting equation 2. So what is the 2? The 2 is equal to value of the theta. So M d by the C d is equal to. So what is the 2? The MD by the FD. The FD. So the MD is the cancel. So multiplication of the 2. The 2 by the CD is equal to the 1 by FD. 1 by FD. So what is the FD? FD is the focal length. FD is the focal length. So therefore the FD is equal to the focal length. FD is the focal length. So the 2D, the CD. What is the CD? CD is the radius of curvature. Okay, Nana? CD is the radius of curvature. The radius of curvature means that this distance the parallel to the passing to the principal axis. Again, the pole. So now the CD, this distance is called the radius of the curvature. Okay, the radius of curvature. So radius of curvature. So the CD is equal to the R. Okay, CD is equal to R. So substituting equation, this value, the 2 is equal to the R is equal to, what is the 1 by FD? 1 by FD is equal to the F. Okay, the cross multiplication. So the cross multiplication is equal to the 2F is equal to the R. Okay, so the point of area, the range of radius is equal to R is equal to the 2F. So these relations between the radius of R is equal to 2F. So this is the point of focal length. So radius formula is R is equal to 2F. So point of focal length, the focal length is equal to F is equal to, this is inversely proportional to, so the 2 by R. The 2 by R. So this formula is the focal length, this formula is the radius of curvature. Okay, so this the very important derivation ana, the relations between focal length and the radius of curvature. Okay, this question is the long question, the 8 marks question. This the formula is a very important. The concept, the 5th concept or 6th concept or 7th concept. So depending on the radius and the focal length. Okay na, focal length ki radius ki find out cheyadaniki ee formula use cheyali. Okay na, so that is called the relations between focal length and the radius of curvature. So understand? Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts?